Good morning everybody. Yesterday you have to see the number system, that is Indian system of numeration. Now today we have to see the international system of numeration. International system is used in worldwide. Now we have to see how the periods and place are divided in a international system of numeration. In this, there are ones period, thousand period, million period and billion periods. Now, ones period is, there are how many places are in a ones period? There are ones in ones period, ones, tens and hundred. In thousand period, thousand, 10,000 place, 100,000 place, and million, which is in which the places are million, 10 million, 100 million, and billion is divided in the places billion, 10 billion. We have to write the numbers in that places. The number is 32 billion 625 million 125,321. Here we have to write the numbers in a international system of numeration. 1 you have to write in ones place, 2 is write in tens place, 3 is write in hundred place, 5 is right in thousand place, 2 is right in 10,000, 1 is right in 100,000, in million places 5 million, 2 right in 10 million and 6 right in 100 million, and in billion place we have to write is 2 billion, 3 is right in 10 billion. We have to read this 32 billion 625 million 125,321. This is the way of reading the international system of numeration. I take one example. Now we have to take another example is that 4 billion 751 million 231,251. You have to write this. This is the first example and this is the second example. We have to write 1 in ones place, 5 in tens place, 2 in hundred place, 1 in thousand place, 3 in 10,000 place, 2 in 100,000 place, 1 is million place, 5 10 million, 7 100 million and 4 is billion place. You have to read like that. 4 billion 751 million 231,251. This is the way of writing in our international system of numeration. Now we have to see you have to do this in a problem such as some problems are in exercise 1.1. That is problem number 1. Write the following numbers in words according to the Indian system and in an international system. When that is in figure, we have to write this in a word. Now we have to see the face value and place value. After the international system, now we have to see the face value and place value of a number. There is one formula of finding the place value. Face value multiplied by position of a number. We have to see how we have to find out the face value of a number. We have to take a one example. 32,425. In this example, we have to find out the place value of 3. Here, the place value of 3 is equals to. We have to write face value. Face value means the number as it is. The face value is 3 and its position of the number, multiply by position of the number. Count it ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. So we have to multiply it by 10,000. Then we have to get the place value of 3. Place value of 3 is 30,000. Now, place value of 2. What is the face value of 2? The face value of 2 is 2, the number as it is. And its position of the number, ones, tens, 100, 1000. 2 is in which place? 1000 place. We have to multiply it by 1000. That is 2000. What is the place value of 4? Face value of 4 is 4 multiplied by place value, position of the number, ones, tens and 100. That is, we have to multiply it by 100. That is 400. Now, we have to see the place value of 2. Face value is 2 and its position is tens place. So, we have to multiply by 10, that is 20. What is the place value of 5? It is ones place, so it is multiplied by 1, that is 5 ones are 5. In this way, we have to find out the place value of a given number. Now we have to see the expanded form of the given number. Expanded form of the given number, we have to find out one example on it. We have to see the 25 crore 37 lakh 54,278. This is the number. This number we have to write in the expanded form. We have to expanded form is write on the place value form. We have to write the place value of 2. 2 is on the which place? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, million, 10 million. So 2 is in a 10 million. So we have to write 2 million, 20 million. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have to write 80 over the 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 plus 5. 5 is in which place? Crow plays. 5 crow. How many zeros? 7 zero. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Plus 3 is in 3. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. 30 lakh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 7, 7 lakh. How many zeros are? 5 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 5 is in 1000 place. 50,000. 3, 4 plus 4 is in 1000 place. 4,000. Its place value is 4,000. 2. 2's place value is 200. Plus 7's place value is 70. And 8 place value is 8. This is the expanded form of that number. Now we have to expanded form, we have to write the number in a expanded form, and expanded form is in, we have to write in a short form. Now we have to see the short form of given number. We have to take one example of that. Plus 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 छोटा पड़ता है plus this is the expanded form. We have to write that expanded form in a short form. First we have to count the places. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. That is 50 lakh. And this is 2. 52 lakh. 3,000. 32,517. This is your short form of that number. Okay. We have to write solve the examples of exercise 1.1 question number 3, 5. 3 and 5. You have to solve. 4 also. 3, 4 and 5.